At Fujitsu Global Delivery, our commitment to environmental sustainability is more than just words. Our employees all over the world are dedicated and passionate about making a positive impact on our planet and our communities. Our vision is to lead the change to a better and more sustainable tomorrow. Day after day, we progress few steps to realize our vision and contribute to global efforts for nature conservation. From planting trees to cleaning rivers, from supporting animal shelters to promoting sustainability education, our teams around the world are making a difference. Every month, every action contributes to a healthier planet. During 2024, just under 19,000 employees engaged in 210 activities linked to environment, accumulating 20,000 hours of employee volunteering and engagement. This year has highlighted the impact of Fujitsu colleagues working together towards the same goal, separated by thousands of miles but all united by the same desire to make the world a better place, to make a difference and inspire others to take care of our planet. I can't wait to see what great achievements 2025 will bring. Thank you, Fujitsu employees and partners, for filling my and many more hearts with warmth and hope for the future to come, by taking action all year long, driving projects that make a real difference. Let's continue to create a better future together.